The day Sarah walked into her dream job interview, she lost it in the first 7 seconds. Not because of her resume, not because of her answers, because of the way she walked through the door. She didn't say a single wrong word. But her body told a completely different story, and the interviewer made up his mind before she even sat down. Scary, right? Here's the truth. 90% of what people think about you has nothing to do with what you say. It's all in how you move, how you stand, how you look at them. If you've ever felt invisible in a room full of people, or felt like nobody takes you seriously, this video is going to change everything for you. Hit that like button right now, because what I'm about to share took me years to learn, and I'm giving it to you in 3 minutes. As the great William James once said, the body and mind are not two separate things. Change the body, and you change the mind. So let's talk about the 10 body language mistakes that are quietly destroying your confidence every single day. Mistake 1. Crossed arms. When Michael walked into meetings with his arms crossed, people thought he was rude, cold, unfriendly. But Michael, he was just nervous. Crossed arms send a signal. I'm closed. I'm scared. Don't come near me. Open your arms. Open your world. Mistake 2. Looking down while walking after a room, looking at the floor. What did you think about them? Looking down says, I don't believe I belong here. Chin up, eyes forward, walk like you've already arrived. Mistake 3. Weak handshake. James had spent 5 years getting the perfect degree. But every time he met someone important, he gave a soft, limp handshake. And just like that, all that hard work felt invisible. A firm handshake isn't about strength. It's about saying, I respect you, and I respect myself. Quick question. When was the last time someone shook your hand and you thought, wow, this person is confident? Think about it. That feeling, you can give that to people every single day. Mistake 4. Fidgeting. Touching your face. Playing with your hair. Clicking your pen. These little nervous habits scream one thing: I am not comfortable in my own skin. Stillness is power. Calm hands, calm mind. Confident energy. Mistake 5. Avoiding eye contact. When Emma started her small business, she couldn't look clients in the eyes. She always looked away. Clients didn't trust her, not because she was dishonest, but because her eyes told them she didn't trust herself. Eye contact is the bridge between two people. Don't break it. Mistake 6. Slouching. Here's something wild. Harvard research actually showed that sitting up straight changes the chemicals in your brain. Slouching doesn't just look weak, it makes you feel weak. Pull those shoulders back. Take up space. You are allowed to be here. Aristotle said, we are what we repeatedly do. Every time you slouch, you practice being small. Every time you stand tall, you practice being powerful. What are you practicing right now? Do you know someone who just nods and nods and nods during a conversation? It feels fake, right? Constant nodding says, I'm desperate for you to like me. Slow, intentional nods say, I hear you. I understand you. And I am thinking. Mistake 8. Standing too small. When David walked into a party, he always stayed in the corner, arms tight, feet together, making himself as small as possible. He thought he was being polite, but people barely noticed him. You don't have to be loud to be confident, but you do need to take up space. Stand with your feet, shoulder width apart, breathe, exist fully in the room. Mistake 9. Mirroring nervousness. Here's one nobody talks about. If you're in a room with nervous, anxious people and you start copying their energy, you become nervous too. Your body follows what's around it. So choose who you stand near. Choose the energy you absorb. Mistake 10. Forgetting to smile. Not a fake smile, a real one. Sarah, remember her from the beginning? She didn't get that first job, but she came back 6 months later. Same interview room. Same interviewer. This time she walked in with her head high. She smiled. Genuinely, she made eye contact. She got the job. The interviewer later told her, you walked in like you already belonged here. Everything had changed in her body. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you practice every single day in the way you walk, the way you stand, the way you look at people. So here's my question for you. Which one of these 10 mistakes are you going to fix starting today? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. And if this video made you think, made you feel something, made you want to be better, please subscribe to this channel. Because every week I'm here